Wanna go to the mail? Wanna go to the mail? Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right, we're going to the mail. Oh, and look, who's coming with us? Hey, Lou. Let's go, Lou. All right, let's go. Come on, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we go. All right, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, Lou. See, I don't have to use a leash because she follows me no matter what. Even with him. Yep. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. He's just staying up there. Oh, Lou. Yeah. Come on, come on. This is just you and me, right? Come on. Oh, we made it to the mailbox. Now, what do we got in here? Oh. All right, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, where are you? Where are you? All right, let's go. All right, that's all. Oh, whoa, you're smelling that lizard? You smelling that lizard? Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. All right.